Good afternoon. We are at the second day of World Mithai and Namkeen Expo 2025, and right now we are at A Innovative stall. We are having with us Mr. Ankit Hansaliya, the Managing Director of A Innovative. Hello, sir. How are you?
All right.
So, A Innovative has designed a unique product called InnoPop. Actually, they are making uh, out of the millets, the jars, the food grains, unique popping chips. So, sir, can you just tell more about your machines and how are you catering the industry right now?
The machine is called popping machine. That's the technology. We make a lot of chips which are oil free, which are not fried, and you can use any grains from millets, corn, rice, lentils, quinoa, and so on. So a different grain can be mixed together and will be popped to make a chips. Now that chip is 100% oil free. The biggest trend what is happening now is like high protein, whole grain, minimum processed, oil free. So the product which we make, if you checklist everything what is in the trend. As you can see, the machine is fully automatic. A single operator can do 7, 8, 9 machines at a time, and like this is how the entire line like can be used. So we have mixing, then this is the popping, we have drying, seasoning, and packaging.
Okay.
So this is how the entire line is being set up.
So, you are providing these machines for the entire processing
Entire line, yeah.
Entire line from processing to packaging.
From processing to packaging.
Okay.
So we help you to set up the entire line. We help you to choose the ingredient. And here, if you can see, we have many different kind of a product which is available. So here the mixture you can see is like millets, multi-grain. Like we have corn, rice, and millets. Here we have lentils and rice. So a lot of product. You can also do a chocolate coating over it. You can make a product from bajri, kodo millet, sorghum, and so on. So multiple ingredients can be used, and you can make many different shapes and sizes as well.
So you have also coated these popping chips with the chocolate.
Chocolate.
So it's a type of cookie which you are making out of it.
You can say it is a kind of a cookie or an energy bar. Like the base of the energy bar can be made with multi-millet, sorghum, rice, or corn, anything, rather than using wheat or baking. And then you can do a high protein like coating over it, or you can do a chocolate coating over it. So a lot of options are available in this.
So
case.
you are just displaying two types of machines, sir. So
Yeah.
can you just tell more about these machines? What is InnoPop 500 and what is InnoPop 200? Sir?
InnoPop 500 is the bigger version of InnoPop 200.
Okay.
The working principle is the same, but this makes about 15 kg per hour. That's biggest in the world.
Okay.
And this is more for a startup kind of a thing that you want to check the concept and so on.
So how are you just doing that? How the chips are being made?
So here, as you can see, the raw material goes in the machine. It's an automatic feeding, and within about 7-8 seconds, the chip is coming out.
Okay.
And this is made without any oil, so you can say it's 100% oil-free chips. Now to stick the seasoning over it, maybe you'll sprinkle the oil, but that is not a fried one.
Okay.
If you want salt and pepper or like other things, so
So what about the raw material? Are these directly sourced from the mandis or have you processed the raw material?
no, the raw material will. Let's say this is the raw material what we have used. So you can get the material from the mandi itself. This rice, yellow lentil, red lentil, and rajma, broken rajma. So this comes from the mandi directly, and you are using this material in the machine. So this remove the need for making like grinding, making it flour, or removing anything.
It should be washed or soaked before this one. Nothing.
Nothing. Just put the material inside.
And in 7 seconds you will get the
7 to
popping
8
chip.
seconds we get the chip. So that, like you can see rightly, this is coming out. So it's healthy. It's high in protein. You can claim this is whole grain.
Yeah.
You are not processing anything. The fibers and everything goes with the machine,
Machine.
and that's how the product is made.
Okay. So you are just promoting the health India, healthy
for
India.
you.
Yeah.
So our concept is good for you snacking.
Yeah.
You want to do snacking, that's absolutely okay. But then choose a better or a good for you snacking rather than the traditional one. It's with no oil, with high protein and so on.
Okay. So, sir, can I just know what are the technology you are using in this machine?
So the technology, I'll say it is called a popping technology, dry hot compression popping. That's the whole name.
Okay.
And we are using high pressure and temperature.
Okay.
So these two things combined will pop the starch. Like we have the popcorn traditionally over the years. So this will do the popping of the grains. And as we are doing it inside the mold, it will take the shape of the mold. So you can have any shape you want and almost any grain what you want.
So, is there any loss of nutrient while processing?
This will give the minimum nutrient loss,
Loss. Okay.
because if the processing goes down, the loss of nutrition goes down. Like if you make the traditional snacking, you will take a grain, you will it go to mill will remove the shell or the pericarp, then you will form a flour of it, you will mix it, extrude it or fry it or do anything. So a lot of process are involved here. From this to this, we are only doing 7 seconds.
Second.
So the amount of nutrition which is being lost in the process is minimal.
Thank you, Ankit sir. Thank you very much, and best of luck.